Today is Sunday, February 19th, out here at 121 Virginia Trail, Carrollton, Georgia, trying to make a repair on an unrepairable roof. As you can see, has way over 100 damaged shingles if you count across the whole roof. But we're going to come out here and attempt to do this repair for you guys. So here we go. I'm going to use the snake tool. Here's the shingle we're going to try to repair. One above it ain't got no damage yet, so let's see if we can keep it that way. This one's already.
Yeah, it's already broke. If that's the one you're not repairing.
Yeah, so these shingles are unrepairable. I mean, there's just no way, guys. Hold on, keep recording, Nate. Just trying to attempt to do the repair. Now, can you imagine trying to do this all over this whole roof? Just walk around and show them the damage around the whole roof, Nate.
Back slope, spread all across.
They're probably gonna be, you didn't put the temperature on there, so it's
I
not
know.
cold.
Right. Well, it feels like a good 60.
But we got somebody to look at the weather at 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Looks like a good 60 today. The slope that the other adjuster did not walk down has breaking shingles on it as well.
I'll hit walk over here when you get down there. Single block off money in my foot.
Yeah, I'm going to. As you can see, old damage. Old fraying, old damage, barely holding on. This is where one shingle has come free from being walked on. This is where a second shingle, and you can see person slid trying to do a dumb repair that your adjuster said was not doable. They were not repairable. So there's other particles of shingles showing to wear. Now we have to tarp the area. All right.